Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your main address to your profile on the Oysho application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on this profile icon down below in the right side corner. Tap on My Information and click on Add Main Address. Here you should select whether it's your private individual address or your company's address. Then you should add your email address, your country, your name, then your address including your city and postcode, and here your phone number, and then click on the Save button down below to save all these information. So then your main address will be added to this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.